Stupid chores. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yep, looks clean to me. Green beans, I don't like you. Know what that means? Oh.
Sorry, Squidward. Mr. Krabs says you're off limits, so too bad.
What the hell are you talking about? I have to go to the bathroom, SpongeBob. If you don't let me in, I am going to freaking go out of my freaking mind.
Well, maybe if you stopped sleeping in the bathroom, Squidward, you wouldn't be having this freaking trouble anyway. Stop being lazy to work, Mr. Squidward. Freaking moron.
My name is Mr. Krabs. You son of a bitch! You slapping my daughter! It's happy Thanksgiving. Who made these greens, young? Who? Who made them? Liz made Gracias a la concha de tu madre vieja re...
So let me go over this again. You want a Big Mac, a large Bulk, a 6-piece bacon nugget, and 3 chocolate built bookies.
Oh, bloods, that's what I want, that's it.
I bought donuts.
Who's summoned me? Oh yeah, you wouldn't last long in here either. You cute. Wait, you ain't supposed to kiss back. Tell him what you do to him if he's... what the Sigma? What the Sigma? Bro.
What the Sigma?
Get this nerd. I don't want to play. This is not safe. Bobby!
What did they do to my baby? They gave me brain rot, Mommy! Oh, don't worry, honey. I'll call your dad. No. You are all cooked. Honey, the boys mogged our son again. He's got level 10 brain rot.
What the Sigma?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
If they try to mog our son again, I'll kick their guy ass back to Ohio.
Aw, that's my Duke Dennis.
By the way, Kendrick or Drake?
Did you hear that? He's gonna kick your guy-ats all the way back to Ohio.
And by the way, who mogged my son?
It wasn't me.
What son?
No. It was him.
What? Dude, that was not me.
No. Oh, it was him. Get out. Go back to Skibbity, Ohio, right now.
Do I run over this liberal or do I drive around him? What do you think? I don't know. Think about the gas prices. Yeah, but then I'd have to back up and go around. It all just kind of feels like a waste of time, doesn't it? I'm not gonna do that. No. Don't feel like it. I'm not gonna do it. No.
Yo, look at my son in the back seat, man. Got my son. You ain't getting no ice cream, man.
Hey, welcome to school. Ain't working here.
And what are you supposed to be?
I'm skimming the toilet, Riz.
Yo, babe, look what I found. What are you gonna do with that? Dress up as my favorite comfort character?
Mom, I don't know what to be for Halloween.
Why don't you just be a hawk? They have a whole section. Susie, stand in front of the nice man. Nothing's gonna happen. She didn't even flinch.
Mommy's relationship with alcohol is scarier than anything in this store.
Hello class, today we're gonna do a test today, so please print out your books. Please? Oh no, I'm not doing that! I'm trying to take my pop quiz! Do you want to see an magic trick? Tell you? What? Oh! Squidward tentacles, stop farting at people when they get sick. They may frog. No frog, what? Are you okay? Oh no, he froze up. I was in a goddamn sabotage, Winky. Oh no, Barney is here. You are stupid. Barney, stop it. Oh, you know about it, small man? I will kick your ass in. No, don't beat up my friends. Okay, you know that into the dirt. I don't know. Aren't you Peppermint? Oh yeah, I was gonna be here. Woo! Go in here. Can you stop it? No, I cannot stop it. You guys are no, you guys stop it. Oh no, you shut up. Anyway, hey guys, you and I cannot say you. Oh my gosh, you guys are stupid. You guys are dupes. Oh no. It seems like we're dead.
Welcome to your